Welcome again in new video. Today, I bring for you new tool for working online and build your business in right way. So, if you spent a lot of money to attract a new customer and lost a lot of time in making traffic campaign for your website and now feel like frustrated, come with me and watch this useful tutorial about GetResponse. Well, let us start with this question. But before asking, subscribe to my channel and support me. What is GetResponse? GetResponse is a software and platform provide online services like email marketing, landing page creator, webinars, and more. These tools can help you to build your audience, grow your business, gain more customers, and boost online sales. GetResponse has over than 30 tools help you to achieve your target, and all these 30 tools in one online platform, which made to be very easy and simple to use even if you don't have any experience. Now, let us go and sync up together step by step. Click on first link in video description. After that, you will be here in this page. Now, enter your email and click on Sync Up Free. Then, you have to write your name and choose password for your new account. After that, click on Create Account. That's great. Now, we have to activate our account. Press on Go to my Gmail inbox. As you see, now we got email from GetResponse. Click on it. Now, we almost done. Now, click on Active My Account. But before that, we have to notice that account will be active till 30 days. Now, click to active the account. The last step is to fill your info here, then click Save and Continue. Now, we are inside our account. We will make skip for everything. And now we are here in this great software. As you see, you can start your business and build your customers. In next video, we will talk more about GetResponse. Today, we only make short lesson of how to sync up and make account, and in next videos we will talk more. If you want to make account and support me, please use my URL in video description. Thank you for watching.